Guys, welcome to Tiana Imagination channel. Today I'm gonna make sushi burrito, which is the giant's roll. We're gonna use full sheet of the seaweed, and inside I'm gonna have tempura shrimp, leaf lettuce. I'm gonna use cream cheese and avocado, cucumber, and red cabbage and relish, and also crab stick, and I'm gonna use a little bit of the scallion, green onion, and I have some potato chips too, so we got crunchiness when we eat it. All right, let's make it. So full sheet of the seaweed, we're gonna spread the rice. We're gonna use more than regular roll. The rice will be more than regular roll because we use the whole sheet of the seaweed. Gonna spread the rice, and we're gonna leave some space on the top. All right, and I also like a little bit of the sesame seed. We're gonna use spicy mayo, and I also like eel sauce in my sushi burrito. And you know what? I can't eat without spicy, so sriracha. All right, sriracha. Awesome. Okay, so we're gonna just lettuce and tempura shrimp and crab stick and red cabbage and relish. Ooh, it's gonna be good, guys. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be awesome. And avocados. Cream cheese is good in it too. You know, sushi burrito, whatever you like to throw in, you can throw it in and then roll it. And we're gonna crush these chips. And cucumber. It's giants already. And scallion, just a little bit. One scallion here. Okay, and we're gonna roll. To roll this, we don't need bamboo mats. We can roll it without bamboo mats. Roll it. Wow, this is sushi burrito. Guys, this is sushi burrito. Look at this. Sushi burrito. And I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna show you how it's gonna look like. Ooh, the crispy of the chips. All right, this is how it's gonna look like. Let's try sushi burrito. Giants. Really sweet. Eel sauce. Some other people call Japanese barbecue sauce. The other way they call unagi sauce. It's really good, and I can taste spiciness of the sriracha sauce too. And spicy mayo, and then the crunchiness of the chips. Sweet and spicy, so good, guys. Try it at home. You're gonna like it. For this video, that's it. We'll see you in another video. Thank you for watching.